IBM recently announced world's first 2-nanometer transistor provides a roadmap for how Intel can regain its manufacturing mojo and improve the competitiveness of its processors. IBM claims its test chip can improve performance by 45% over current 7-nanometer commercially available products. IBM said, it is also more energy efficient, using 75% less energy to match current performance. It claims the tech could quadruple mobile phone battery life, and phones might only need to be charged every 4 days. Its 2-nanometer transistor is radically different from current designs, which use vertical fins, hence the name FinFET to describe the approach. Maintaining the fin's height while shrinking its base is difficult. Like a tall but skinny skyscraper, it eventually becomes unstable. The IBM design instead uses a stack of ultra-thin nanosheets to create a structure called gate-all-around, or GAAFET. The company was the first to demonstrate this new technology. Earlier this year, new Intel CEO Pat Gelsinger announced a revamped manufacturing strategy headlined by a $20 billion investment in 7-nanometer fabs. Overlooked in that announcement was a brief mention that the company would ally with IBM in the development of future fab technology. IBM already licenses its transistor designs to global foundries and Samsung, so Intel is joining a team of TSMC competitors to pool research and share the huge cost of developing ever smaller transistors. IBM says its 2-nanometer process can cram 50 billion transistors into a chip the size of a fingernail, up from 30 billion when it announced its 5-nanometer breakthrough in 2017. The end result should be another performance bump for computers in the coming years. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Technical HP Baba.